Hello friends, I am a blogger, author and entrepreneur, and today I am inside the Thattekad Bird Sanctuary. It's called drsalimali Bird Sanctuary. I came to walk inside the forest. Thattekad is bird sanctuary located on the route to Cochin Munnar. You have to get down at Kothamangalam town and come about 15-20 kilometers inside. There is bus service. This is the place. I am here today. This is a lonely forest and you have to take 50 rupees ticket. Then you can come inside this forest and walk alone. You have to be careful. Sometimes wild elephants are here, so you have to ensure your safety. I came here alone. It's a 1.5 kilometers trek through the forest and you finally reach your destination. There is a boating facility available here. I cross this path. See the lakes behind me. These are all places where the birds come and sit. Today is an incredible day. I will say a blessed day, and while walking I am shooting this video also. This bush you see here, this is Panantaga. Using this bush we touch by mat. This is a wonderful experience to walk in this location. This experience is more important, not the facilities. Natural atmosphere is very good. It is energizing. You enjoy every moment of your life. Exploring the wild, exploring the beauty of places which people have not seen. That is my hobby. My aim is to expose the beauty of nature. See, the elephants have to come here, and elephant dung I have seen. Elephant dung. There is a deafening silence here. There is a beautiful lake nearby. I will show you the lake. This is the place. Behind me there is a lake. I just saw. Let me move a little bit more and complete this trail. So I am walking through this thick forest. This is a lifetime memorable day. I will not forget. I want to explore as many places as possible, not only in India but also abroad. And I am seeking like-minded people to travel with me. Nature lovers, people who really love nature, Mother Earth. I want to meet them. The silent river is flowing there. Thank you very much. Have fun.